What's up guys, I hope everyone is safe out there, and today's video is going to be a haul video, obviously because you guys seem to love my haul videos a lot, so I thought why not another one. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I would really like you to take a minute and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification right next to it so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I have created this look you're seeing by using all these new products that I have got. I really wanted to try something new in makeup, so I got a lot of things. I have got some stuff from Amazon and some stuff from Hawk Makeup, so I thought why not combine those and show you guys whatever I got. So if you're interested in knowing what I got, keep on watching. So let's start with the first one. The first one is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. I have used this primer today. It's hydrating. It's for oily skin types. It has two variants. The black one is for dry skin types, and the white one is for oily skin types. This one is for me, like dry skin types. It's not something amazing. It doesn't cover your pores if that is your issue. It doesn't fill in your pores. It just gives you a very hydrating effect to your skin, which for which your makeup glides on like beautifully, but it's not the thing if you're looking for pores. It's just a very hydrating primer. I just want you to keep in mind that I've got a lot of Wet n Wild products, so I'll just going through all the Wet n Wild products first. So the second one is the Wet n Wild contouring palette. This is how this looks. This comes in two shades. This one is the darker one, I think, and this is how this stuff looks. I really like this one. I have used this as my contour today. I've been wanting a contour palette from a very long time because I have been using the Maybelline one only, and I just wanted to try something new. So this is what I really like, and it also has a banana shade, which is really good to set your under eyes, which is really nice. Butter, like it's literally butter. Let me give you a swipe. Guys, it's literally butter. It's really nice. It just glides in your skin. It looks beautiful. You can see how my face looks. I have contoured my face with this palette only. I have got the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Comfort Zone. I have the another one like Rose in Air or Rose in Air, however you like to pronounce it. This is how this stuff looks. Let me just open it. Yeah, this is how this stuff looks, and it has really beautiful shades. I think only these two shades are matte and everything else are shimmery. Like only these two shades are matte, the transition shades are matte, and everything else is shimmery shade. I really like this one, the bluish one. It has a little bit of brown undertones. It's literally very different. Let me give you a swatch of some colors. Where should I swatch it? Here. Yeah, just see. It looks really nice. It's pigmented. I'm just waiting to try this. I have this pink shade and this a whitish, not whitish, a little wheatish shade on my eye today. Only glitters. Really like it. It's butter, and it really would be nice if you apply it with your hands rather than brush, because it's more pigmented when you apply it with your hands. So guys, no haul is complete without a lipstick product. So the next one is this, the Wet n Wild in the shade Never Nude, and this is their bullet lipstick or some collection. I don't know exactly. This is the bullet lipstick. I really thought this would be my nude shade, but this colors wash me out a lot. Let me just give you a swipe. This is how this shade looks. I don't know how will it look with makeup on, but I have tried this with without makeup, and I really don't like it. So this is again from Wet n Wild. I told you I have got a lot of Wet n Wild products. This is the cat eye mascara. This is how this looks. I love the packaging. Everything looks so good and classy. This is the wand. Let me just show you the wand. This is how the wand looks. It's really nice. It's out of like order, and it just gives your lashes a really nice volume and just lifts up your lashes. To lift up, this is the mascara you need. It's really cheap. I wanted to try something else rather than Maybelline mascaras. I got this. It was cheap and it is really nice. Do you see my lashes? I haven't even curled it, and it's naturally that giving it a lift. That is what I really like about this mascara. I need my lashes to lift up like they're on steroids. Okay, this is the last product from Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Hello Gorgeous. So this is really nice. This is a very pinkish liquid highlighter. I always wanted to try something liquid. I think this is my first liquid highlighter. I don't own anything else. I just have powder highlighters. I don't have a liquid highlighter, and I really like it because you can see I have put this on my face today, and you can see how it shines. That shine is totally coming from this highlight, and I really like it. These 5 products, they came in a package of like 1200 or 1300 from Hawk Makeup. I'll just leave the link down below so that you can go and check out. It's really cheap, and Hawk Makeup mein you get a little bit more discount than now I'll be showing you all the products that I have got from Amazon. This is the first and the only skincare product that I've got. This is the Natural Vitamin Rich Face Serum from the brand The Moms Co. This is how it looks like. This product is really I don't know, I've heard a lot about this product, and I wanted to buy a serum from a very long time, and I have seen Mansi Mao talk about this product, and I really wanted to give it a try, so I got this. I've got another lipstick. This is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mouse lip and cheek color. This is in the shade Coffee Light, and this is how it looks. I know everyone own Lakme lipstick, of course. This one is not any of the new collection, but I really wanted the shade Coffee Light. I have seen it was a little more brown. I have wore that today on my lips. I thought it to be a little more brown, but it's not actually brown. It's a little bit, I don't know, I feel it has a purple undertone, like it has a pinkish mauvey undertone, but I really like the shade. I'm not saying I don't like the shade, I just expected it to be more brown, but I really like the shade too. I have the same shade on my cheeks too. Obviously I'm into lipsticks, those who are like tint and everything, that works for your lips, that works as your blush, so it's just 2-in-1 product. That is what I really like about it. Drying. I have been wearing it from the last 2 hours and it's not drying. It's really comfortable on your lips. Most of the liquid lipstick just dry me out a lot, and I don't prefer to use any liquid lipstick for that reason, but this one is giving me a very good it has a very good and mousy texture, so it's not drying me out. And that's a Maybelline Eraser Concealer. This is how it looks. I have used this product today. It's in the shade where can I find the shade, guys? Okay, it's weird. Okay, this is in the shade 130 medium. It's a little light shade for me. I thought this would be a perfect shade, but it's a little bit lighter. I needed exactly my skin color, and this is not my skin color. It's a little bit light for me, but that's fine. I can use this as a lightening concealer. It is full coverage, guys. I now know what people have been talking about this instant age rewind eraser. It's totally a eraser because it erases each and every spots or any blemishes you have on your face, and I'm looking forward to use this. I already like it on my first use. So yeah, this is the all set translucent powder from the brand Sugar. Let me just show you how does this looks. Okay, this is how it looks. I have already opened it today. It comes with a mirror. It also comes with a sponge like this, which was really helpful. I could see the difference the time I used it, because it just give a flawless base. Because after putting your concealer, it's very important that you just put powder and set it to place, or else it just creases and it doesn't look good, right? No one wants to have a creased under eye, right? So this powder is amazing. I have been tilted towards the Blue Heaven one and the Fit Me one. Everyone has been talking so much about the Sugar powder, and I really understand why they were talking so much about this. I really like it. Last product is a little bit heavy for me to show because I've already set it. This is how this stuff looks, guys. This is the holder, not all of this stuff. This is how I organized all of my stuff. I'm keeping this on my table, and this is how it looks. It was really cheap, guys. It was for like 200 rupees, and this is too much. See, you have like compartments here where you can put your lipsticks, and you have this compartment there, here and here too, here where you can keep your kajal and everything, or your eyebrow pencil, anything. So this was my last product which I was wanting to show you. I have shown you all the products that I have got from this haul. I really hope you really like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what are the products you are using, or anything from them among them you have used or they haven't worked out for you. Anything, you can just talk to me, and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification right next to it, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video like this, like haul videos, makeup videos, skincare videos, any type of videos. And you can also go and follow me on Instagram, because I am super active on my Instagram and I post different videos there too. Each week I post 2 videos, so you can just go and follow me there with different content, not same. And okay guys, I'll see you super soon next time. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.